Let me show you how I created this text effect in Canva. Let's go. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is to bring in our text. This is the background we'll be using for this video. Alright, so bring in our text, and the text I'm going to be using is Christ's glory. So I'm just going to type in Christ's glory, and after that we want to download it in a PNG format, that is transparent background. So I had to change the second page to color black so that it can be very visible since the text is actually white. So I'm just going to duplicate it and bring it down to the second page, then download it in a transparent background because we want this text to be as an image for us to be able to do this text effect in Canva. All right, our text is loaded. I'm going to drag it into Canva and then size it up, size it properly so it fits well, and then come to our image blender. I want to blend the text into the background so it rhymes very well into the background, and then drag carefully till you're satisfied. So I just want the sides to blend very well. As you can see, it has actually blended with the background. And then the next thing we want to do is go to texture. You go to your apps and type in texture to give the text a feeling. I want to add some light texture to the text, so I'm going to scroll down to light. After texture, you just scroll down to where you see light, and then you tap on see all. Then after the see all, we're going to be using the first one, the first gradient there. Yeah, that is called rainbow blur. Put it on multiply and then just scale it to till you're satisfied. As you can see, the opacity, I'm trying to put the opacity and the scale to my own level of satisfaction. You can do the same, leave it at multiply, or you can explore and then you tap on save so that the effect will be saved in your text. Then you can try other text effects that you want, but for me, I'm okay. So the next thing now is to come to warp brush. I want to give the text a funny feeling, so I'm going to tap on I'm going to tap on grow and just put it. You can see how the text effect is coming out in a funny way, so you can just play around it like you want, till you're actually satisfied with the effect. So I'm okay with mine, and I'm just going to tap on save. Just made the tea pop out a little bit and the glory, touch it here or there, one or two things, and then I'm going to tap on save since I'm satisfied with it. So if you look closely, you see how the text now looks like a kind of funny in a way. So now to our final trick, I'm going to duplicate the text and then bring it into the second page and download it as a transparent background. This is for the final effect. Remember, transparent background, you can only do this if you are using Canva Pro, you're on the pro side. All right, so now once it's downloaded, I'm going to drag in the one I just downloaded into the background, and then we are going to go to transform image, and I'm going to pick on the image that I just downloaded, which is the text effect, and then shape the perspective, drag it. You can see the way I just want it to have this slide effect on the background, not it just looking blank on that background there. So for you to just slide a little bit and then add it to my design. So I didn't make it that much, but you can see that it's quite different from before. Then arrange text, just make it bold or quite balanced on the flyer, and then you can add whatever you want. For me, I can add the image for the design that I want and every other text details that I wish to have for this design. So anyways, so this is a little trick that you can try with Canva instead of just having your boring text flat on your design. And let me know if you would be trying it in the comment section. Bye.